One day I decided to go onto Facebook Marketplace and look up some slow as fuck cars. And then I came across this car that was in absolute shambles. However, the person that was selling it only wanted $5,000 for a car that had 30,000 miles, and I had hope in it. We got the door panels back on. We need to get some new speakers. There's no speakers in there. And then airbags, and the interior's good. It looks great, honestly. I need to get some covers for this because this is like some gross asphalt-y stuff. I don't know what the frick. Some sort of, not asphalt, adhesive, some glue or something. Other than that, seats are in good condition. Back seats are in good condition. I can show you that real quick. Mint. But yeah, there's a rally light here. They put that in the front piece, and then we'll get that all situated when we get the front I had finally gotten my hood perfectly lined up and ready to go, but then the unthinkable happened. My hood didn't latch properly, and it destroyed the front of my car. Going literally 10 miles an hour. Munched that. Gotta get new hood brackets for each side. This side's fine. I just need to grab it. It's just never right to me.
This is what it looks like, and I know that someday it will be looking a lot better than this, so I'm just going to put this video right before the car is actually done, just so you can see the difference. I mean, we got the doors messed up, the pillar, glass, doesn't have sides, doesn't have a hood, doesn't have a bumper, and no mirror on either side, doors messed up. Inside's fine, but just as a reference. If doing this has taught me one thing, it's that every time you take a step forward, sometimes you have to take 2 steps back. Giving up was never an option.